Do you have an overview of the upcoming calibrations? I need the information by 10 a.m.
Hi Sven, we have an audit coming up soon. We really need to have our test equipment up to date. Can you look up the current certificates of our test equipment? I really need this urgently. Sven? Hello Sven? Can you hear me?
Stress in test equipment management? That doesn't have to be, thanks to PRIMAS Online. PRIMAS Online provides an instant overview of all key information, helping you maintain clear visibility of all quality relevant equipment. Visual dashboards and key metrics make upcoming due dates transparent, supporting efficient calibration planning. Thanks to the powerful integrated search function, your test equipment can always be found quickly and easily filtered so that nothing gets lost. All relevant information and calibration certificates are stored in one central location, always up to date and readily accessible. This eliminates the need for manual processes in your equipment management workflow. The system automatically monitors compliance with due dates based on your individual settings. Through an automated, multi-level reminder and escalation process, responsible personnel are directly notified as soon as a measuring instrument is due for calibration. Once calibration has been completed, the status of your test equipment changes back to active and the current calibration certificate can be called up directly. We also offer you even more with our mobile version. Simply scan the 2D code to gain direct access to your test equipment data and all relevant calibration certificates, perfect for your next audit.
Hi Sven, the audit went really well. The auditors were very satisfied. Many thanks for your good preparation.
You're welcome. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.